to say it again. You need to go to My Open Math. If you already have an account, then just go there and I'm going to give you the course ID. If you are new to My Open Math, you just need to go to it and you will come over here where it says register as new student and you will click on there. Anybody there yet?
I've already made an account, so.
Okay. I just don't want to go too fast. Once you click on register as a new student, you have to fill all this stuff out. Now, here's the important part. For those of you that are already in My Open Math, this is the course ID for physics. So go ahead and you My Open Math veterans, do that. And you newbies to My Open Math, do that.
Is there an enrollment? Where do you?
No, there's
no enrollment key.
No, that's why I said line through it. What was the other question?
Where do you click to join a new class? Once you log in, it should give you an option under the courses you're taking, and it should say enroll in a new class.
Yep. Let me show you.
Yep, found it.
Okay, you're good?
Yep. I like how it's just simply named physics. Nothing
Look,
fancy.
It's been a stressful few days, okay, trying to get this taken care of.
It's just physics.
I see 7 of you. Let me click over here and see who's not in here yet. Anthony, you're on there. Conrad, I don't see you yet. You should be able to do this though, just because of pre-cal. Drew.
Yeah, I just joined the physics class.
Okay, got 8 now. There's Conrad. Drew, you on there. Dewey is on there. Dominic is on there. James, I don't see you yet. John, don't see John. Is John even really here?
Probably not,
because
he never left the Discord.
Right. Matt's on there.
He probably just joined it and then went back to sleep.
What about Ryan?
What?
Have you joined yet?
I need the key.
Oh, duh. I'm sorry. All you gotta do is ask. Right there.
What do I write for the enrollment key?
There's not anything. That's why there's a line through it. You just don't do anything with it. Okay, James, I see you on there now. Ryan, you're on there. Okay, I'm gonna jump back real quick and just look and see who. Make sure. I know Anthony is. No, Conrad is. Drew, you are. Dewey, Dominic, James. We don't know what's going on with him. Okay, I think everybody that's on here is on there. So there's a couple things I want to talk to you about before I post this test. This test will be opening up in about 10 minutes. You will have 12 hours to take it. You have to have it done by 11 o'clock tonight. Once you start it, you have 55 minutes to complete it. So don't start it until you're absolutely positively ready. There is a mixture. There are a mixture of problems because I did not have an FRQ. There's ended up being 20 problems on there. I think there's 10 multiple choice at least. I know there's 2 multi-answers, and the multi-answers will say choose 2 answers. And then there's some like fill in the blanks, where you just have to put your answers in. Make sure you read the directions closely. I'm pretty sure, let me check something real quick. I'm pretty sure I actually gave you, because it's your first test, I actually gave you a couple of chances. And what I did, if you get it right the first time, you get full credit, just like in pre-cal and calculus. If you get it right the second time, it's 25% off. The third time, it's 50% off. So that's in there. I don't think I'll do that the whole time, simply because it's basically an open note, open book, open friend, open person test. But this time, because it's the first time you're doing it, I'm doing it that way this time. Again, 55 minutes. What you will do is on your, is everybody in My Open Math now?
See.
Okay.
Yes, I think so.
Okay, so let me come over here to my Open Math. On mine, I have a calendar at the top. You all can go to add item and put a calendar there. And what's going to happen? Or is yours calendar already up there?
You should automatically have a calendar.
Okay. So it's going to pop up here in a little bit. Yours is going to be green right there. Okay. And again, don't start it until you're ready to devote 55 minutes to getting it done. Okay. Because you can't like pause it or anything. Once it's starting, it's starting.
Wait, how many questions is it?
Let me look real quick. I think it's.
You said 20 initially.
I think it's okay. It's 20, but a couple of them are kind of multi-part, kind of like it's an FRQ thing. There might be some other pieces to it. So as I'm going down through here, and I couldn't figure out on my Open Math how to get the multiple choice, the multi-answer, and the fill in the blank. I'm sure there's a way to separate those into 3 separate sections, but I just don't have the time the past 2 days to do that. So it'll be they're kind of be intermingled with each other. So again, you've got to make sure you really read the directions closely. Okay, and EMF, electromotive force, is just another name for a battery. Okay, because you're going to see that, and also, do y'all know the symbol for EMF? It's a funky looking E. I showed it to you, but I don't know if y'all remember it. It's like one of these little guys. It's like a weird looking E like that, but that's EMF, and EMF is just another name for the voltage of a battery, just a fancier name for it. Also, there's someone that asks you to put the units. You can write them out. Remember, watts is a capital W, volt is a capital V. If it's resistance and you don't know how to put a fancy ohm in there, one of these little guys, you can just type out ohm. Okay. You can also just type out watt or volts. Current is an A or amp.
So for EMF, it's that swirly E looking
Yes.
thing?
EMF is this guy right here.
Okay.
Something like that. But they just use that sometimes interchangeably for voltage. Make sure you see how many decimal places. Some are 2, some are 3. You will need paper and pencil, not for me, but for to be able to work some stuff out. And I think that's really about it. Do you all have any questions for me? Your lack of speaking
Not really.
makes me think you don't, which is fine. I really don't want you to. If don't text me and ask me help on a problem. If you don't understand what it's asking, or if it does something you think that's funky, text me and ask me that. But I'm not gonna. You're gonna get much more help than you would normally get anyway for this test right now, anyway. So that's really it. I'm not gonna hang out on here. Like I said, I'll be available by phone if you need me that way. As long as all this information is up right here. So if anybody that isn't taking it right now, you make sure you're reminded they have to be done by midnight, about 11 tonight. And then they can come on here to this video to watch how it works. Okay. And I have 3 subscribers now. I'm getting really popular. I'm pretty excited.
Have you posted the test yet?
That's all you care about? No.
I was just making sure it wasn't my end.
No, hold on. In fact, I'll
supposed
post
to post
it.
at 11:10, so
Okay.
like in a minute it'll post.
I'll go ahead and make it 11:09 if it makes you guys happy.
Almost 30 seconds now.
Hit refresh.
30 seconds now.
Hit refresh.
It's there. It's there.
Okay, but again, don't start until you know you're going to have 55 minutes by yourself, because those 55 minutes are up. It kicks you out. Okay? So don't just jump in it and then think you're going to go have lunch or something, because we have lunch in about, 16 minutes? So you might want to wait till after that. I'm leaving now.
Bye.
Bye. Good luck, guys.